What's going on, guys? What's happening? We're going to be talking about XRP again, and we want to talk about all the exciting partnerships that Ripple has going. That is definitely a game changer for XRP. Let's get into it. Ripple, the San Francisco-based blockchain company, has been revolutionizing global payments since 2012. At its core, XRP, a cryptocurrency designed for fast, low-cost, cross-border transactions, unlike Bitcoin, which focuses on store of value, XRP powers Ripple's network to bridge currencies instantly. In 2025, Ripple's partnerships are growing rapidly, bringing real-world utility to XRP and potentially driving its price higher. This, as they explores Ripple's new partnerships, highlights some of the biggest ones and explains why these alliances are fantastic for XRP's practical use and market value. Let's start with the fresh faces in Ripple's partner lineup this year. As of August 2025, Ripple has inked several exciting deals that expand its reach into new sectors and regions. One standout partnership with Link Logis, a China-based fintech giant specializing in supply chain finance. Announced just days ago, the collaboration integrates XRP to digitize global supply chains, creating stablecoins and DeFi products for faster, more transparent financing. This isn't just talk, it's about solving real problems like delayed payments and international trade. Another big move is Ripple's tie-up with SBI Holdings in Japan for distributing RLUSD. Ripple's new stablecoin, signed in late August. This memorandum of understanding with SBI VC Trade aims to roll out RLUSD in Japan by early 2026, tapping into one of the world's most crypto-savvy markets. SBI, a longtime ally, is expanding its role here, blending stablecoins with XRP for enterprise use. In July, Ripple partnered with the Bank of New York Mellon, BNY Mellon, America's oldest bank, to custody reserves for RLUSD. This deal brings Wall Street credibility, with BNY overseeing trillions in assets. Around the same time, OpenPaid, a UK-based payments firm, joins forces with Ripple to build enterprise-grade stablecoin infrastructure. This enables seamless, regulated payments across borders. Ripple's acquisition of Rail for $200 million in August is another highlight. Rail's network of over 12 banks handles a chunk of the $36 billion B2B stablecoin market, supercharging Ripple's payment flows. In Africa, a March partnership with Chipper Cash uses XRP for quicker, cheaper remittances across the continent. Meanwhile, in the Middle East, May deals with UAE, Zand Bank, and Mamo integrate XRP into local payment systems. Ripple also invested in TazaPay for Japan expansion and teamed up with Control Alt and the Dubai Land Department for real estate tokenization on the XRPL. For RLUSD's launch, Ripple secured liquidity partners like Uphold, Bitstamp, Bitso, MoonPay, Independent Reserve, CoinMina, and Bullish. These exchanges ensure stablecoin stability, indirectly boosting XRP's ecosystem. Now on to Ripple's heavyweight partners. These are giants that have stuck around and scaled up. Santander, one of the world's biggest banks, uses RippleNet for real-time payments between the UK and the US. Bank of America, another titan, leverages XRP for cross-border settlements, cutting costs dramatically. American Express partners with Ripple and Santander for business payments, enabling trackable transfers in seconds. SBI Holdings, Japan's financial powerhouse, is a cornerstone, using XRP for remittances via SBI Remit. PNC Bank, a top U.S. lender, employs Ripple for treasury management and international wires. Standard Chartered integrates XRP for liquidity in emerging markets. Other notables include MoneyGram for remittances. Western Union exploits pilots. These partners span over 300 institutions worldwide, from banks like Federal Bank in India to fintechs like Tranglo. Why are these partnerships a boon for XRP's utility? First, they amplify real-world applications. XRP's on-demand liquidity, ODL, uses the token as a bridge currency, settling payments in seconds instead of days via traditional systems like SWIFT. For instance, in supply chain with link logis, or remittances with Chipper Cash, XRP reduces fees by up to 98% and eliminates pre-funding needs. Stablecoins like RLUSD on the XRPL add stability, while tokenization, example Dubai real estate, opens doors to DeFi and asset management. This builds a robust ecosystem where XRP isn't just speculative, it's essential for global finance, handling billions in transactions. On the price front, these alliances spark optimism and increased adoption, meaning more demand for XRP. As partners hold or use it for liquidity, Wall Street's involvement, like BNY Mellon, signals institutional trust, potentially attracting investors and driving prices up. XRP surged after the BNY announcement, with Ripple targeting a $6 billion crypto custody market by 2030. XRP could see sustained growth. Over 60 companies plan XRP reserves, boosting scarcity and value. While volatility remains real, utility often leads to long-term price appreciation, and seen with Ethereum's DeFi boom. In conclusion, Ripple's 2025 partnerships from Link Logis and BNY Mellon, combined with stalwarts like Santander, are propelling XRP forward. They enhance utility through efficient payments and innovation, while fueling price potential via demand and confidence. As Ripple's bridges traditional finance and blockchain, XRP is poised for greater heights, proving crypto can solve everyday problems. Wow, that was a lot. Exciting though, all these partnerships. What do you guys think about it, man? There's so much. Holy cow. And I know there's more. Anyway, what do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments section. Are you bullish on XRP? Is there any partnerships you want to talk about? Let me know in the comments section. And let me know what you think, what's going to happen with all these partnerships, man. It's going to make the price explode, right? I mean, it's got to, in my opinion. Not financial advice, of course, but Anyway, always do your own research when you invest. And I appreciate y'all very much for watching. Yeah, like I said, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Check out my sponsors. I got the banner rotating at the top there. You can get free crypto on deposit. You can leverage trade at BTCC and BitTrue. You can get a loan on your crypto by sending your crypto as collateral. Instead of selling it to buy groceries or pay your bills, you can just send it to CoinRabbit, and they hold it as collateral, and they'll give you a loan on the collateral, and you can get it back at a later date. You don't lose your crypto, so it's like you still got skin in the game, you know what I'm saying? That's why I like CoinRabbit. I've been using them for years, and so far, so good for me. Anyway, I appreciate y'all. I hope you have a good day. Smash up the like button, share it out with your friends, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace out.